How's it going, YouTube? Tyler Clark here. As you can see from the title, it is election day, but it is also my birthday. So we're gonna do a little shooting, a little range practice, do a couple drills. It'll be a short and sweet video. We're at the old faithful Center Target Sports, so let's get in there. If you need a drill that helps out with flinching, get some of these dummy rounds and put them with your ammo that you put in your magazine, and you'll be able to tell if you flinch or not. Like me, I have a hard time flinching, so load these up, put them in any random order, whatever, it doesn't really matter, and just see where you are on the target. And if you anticipate, your muzzle is gonna go like this. And what you want to do is you want to get it down so you're not flinching and anticipating the shot, or else you're going to be off target. And if you do flinch, rack it, go halfway, go back in, reset the trigger, and keep doing this until you're not anticipating the shot. We'll go live. I anticipated it, so half cock, get the trigger back, and try it again until you get it, your trigger pressed down where you're not anticipating the shot. Rack. I already practiced before I was shooting this shot, but this bottom one here is what we're looking at. Another drill I like to do is I put 2 dummy rounds, 2 live rounds, and with this drill you want to press out and see where your irons line up. If you don't like it, just come back and present the gun again until you get the irons on your target. And again, tap, back on, set the gun, rack, go back on the target. Shooting at the middle one, I flanked that one pretty high. That's all right. Most of them were on target. This is about 10 feet. On this drill, we're pretty much going to do the same thing, except without 8 rounds. We have 4 rounds, and we're going to choose a target, present it, see if your irons line up. If they don't, go back, present it again until you get a good focus on your target with your irons lined up. And we're going to go 1, and again 2, and again until you get 4. we're aiming for this piece of tape. Got a pretty good group here. Shanked out, but it's just one of the few drills that you can utilize to make yourself a better marksman. Utilize your targets too, guys. They're not cheap. And I hope everyone has a good election day. And keep safe, guys. I'll see you on the next one.